All right, everybody, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this day started with a real nice haircut because, man, my hair is long. And if you know me, I typically have like a medium fade with the trimmed on the top type of deal, you know, your standard haircut. And it's been a long time since I had one, so we're gonna go ahead, get the haircut, get the truck washed, and get on with today. That time. All filled up now, it's time to go get that haircut. Haircut is now complete. And now we're gonna go get the truck washed and get this video started. All right, so we got the truck washed. We got it from Fleet Farm here locally. Cheap wash, I did soft touch. I know you're not supposed to, but hey, my truck's got scratches, my truck's got rust. I don't really care that too much. I do like it to look nicely. That's why you can see here that I get my truck washed. But anyways, let's go ahead, get this video going, and a little bit different today. What we're doing here is I had to put my sunglasses on because it's bright out, it's sunny out. Finally, we got a nice little break of weather. We've had some really terrible weather the last couple days here. So we've got some good weather. I'm gonna do this, it's in the 40s. What we got here is rocker covers from Bushwacker, and the reason why I'm doing rocker covers is because honestly, this bothers me and I've got higher priorities than doing my rockers and cab corners right now. So this is a great temporary option to cover up that rust. I do plan to do it. I wanna try and do it myself. Hopefully I can do it this summer. I'm not sure if I'll be able to. Maybe it'll have to be next summer, but we'll see. My bed is more important to me than my rocker covers. But I will say this kit was on $150. I'll link that below for you guys. This is not permanent because I do plan on doing mine. And just to let you guys know, I have something in the works for a really high quality rocker cover that I think you guys will like, because I know up here in the north we deal with this a lot. And I'm probably gonna catch a little flack for this, but you know what, I'm sorry. This is just something that I want to do to make my truck look a little better temporarily until I get it properly fixed. That seems kind of short. Okay, so it's in 4 pieces, 2 on one side and 2 on the other. Got my instructions here, which I'm assuming that is some type of alcohol pad. I don't know, we'll take a look at that in a second. Clean up the garbage so it doesn't go away. Clean up, everybody clean up. Bushwacker, what the heck? No sticker. Come on, no sticker? What's the point of it? What did I spend $150 on? I got the instructions here. Fit, verify the fit, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, we'll verify that when we get there. Some filing, sanding, or cutting may be necessary. No, not that worried about it. So pretty much rub with rubbing alcohol that they give you, those little pads. Peel back the 3M sticky backy that they got there and stick it on. So I am actually very surprised, you guys, with how this fits. I just threw this on here right now. I haven't stuck it on. Don't mind the messy truck. But anyways, I am going to rub the rubbing alcohol in here where the 3M is going to stick. You know, basically up in here and all that stuff, yada, yada, yada. And I think this is going to look really, really good. Always got to use your teeth, right? That's how our parents taught us. Use your teeth with everything. All right, alcohol prep pad. Ooh, don't have to use my teeth. Wow, come on. That's my alcohol prep pad. What the heck, man? Come on. You gotta be kidding me. So they did give me a lot of these little guys, so that's a good thing, I guess. But come on, really? That's all you're gonna give me? Alcohol prep pad needs to be upgraded. Step 1. All right, now I'm gonna rub this spot here, rub where it's gonna go down here. Now, I got too much rust down there to really worry about the pad, so the 3M backing will work just fine. This one's stuck on, and it actually already looks better like this. So you basically get 2 pads here per, well, you get 4 pads technically per side, so you get 2 pads per section. And it actually is enough, but come on, like, they could have made that a little bit bigger, right? I'm a one-man show today, so I got nobody to help me film, which is fine. But this is a very satisfying feeling. That right there, you guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, actually, you know what? Everybody that's watching this video right now knows what I'm talking about. When you peel something of fresh plastic off something that's brand new, especially when it's like interior stereo equipment and stuff like that, oh, that's a satisfying sound and a feeling. Now, you can't go wrong there. So I'm going to go ahead, get this side installed real quick and show you guys how this side looks. Way better. Way better. For $150, I really don't think you can go wrong. I mean, the before and after of this isn't crazy, and I'll try and put up a before and after photo of this, but this is insane, you guys. I mean, it looks way better. You can barely tell that my rocker's all rusted to absolute HE double hockey sticks. So I'm gonna go ahead. Get, what's up? Daddy's truck. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the other side done, and I'll get back with you guys because it's really quick, it's really easy. I'll link the rocker panels below for you guys where I got them from. Like I said, this isn't 100% permanent because I do plan to do mine, but I also have a comparison video that I'm going to be coming up once I get these road tested and everything like that, and I get the new ones in. I'm going to compare two different companies of rocker covers, and I can tell you right now, I'm very excited for that video in the future because yes, I know we catch a lot of flack for rocker covers, but you know what? Us people up here in the north, the Rust Belt, that deal with all the rust and the salt, it's not really on our high priorities because we know what happens, but you know what? This is a nice solution. Temporarily, keyword temporarily, until you get it fixed. So we'll see you in a little bit. So I got this side done as well. I'm trying to stay out of the sun here because it gets really bright when I get up in there, but we'll just deal with it for right now. Again, $150, not that bad. Pretty impressed with it. Not a bad choice. If you got really bad rockers, it at least covers it for now until I can get it fixed. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit different, kind of a redneck modification you could say, or the Instagram modification you could say. It's really much sums up this video. Fit is actually pretty good. It's not that bad. It's a little bit better than I thought it was gonna be. This part's kind of funny here. You can see my wiping here, but this part's kind of funny because you can see it here, and you can just imagine all the salt and everything that's gonna catch up in here come wintertime. But I went to put it on, and watch this. I went to put it on and I started getting rust coming out from underneath it. So needless to say, my rockers are 100% on my list of things to do. Like I said though, there are so many more things that I can put ahead of for this truck than my rockers. For instance, my bed has to be done. I want to get a brand new bed for it. That's going to cost me $1,500 here in Wisconsin to get a really nice rust-proof bed. And then it's got to get painted. Of course, it's going to have to get painted. Now you're talking another probably $800 for it to get painted, $800. So, you know, got a lot of things to go on this truck. Got a lot of things coming this summer. I'm excited for what we got going on, what we got planned. Stay tuned for all the future videos. I appreciate all the support. Thank you for all the subscribers, all the likes, all the views. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. It helps the video out so much when you guys watch these all the way to the end like this. Thank you for everything. It's been a great journey so far, and I'm excited to see where this journey goes completely because we have, like I said, we got a lot of stuff going on. So have yourselves a great night. We'll see you in the next video.